Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to solve or find out where quadratic formula is coming from. So quadratic formula is a formula that states x is equals to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So we're going to find out where this formula is coming from. So I hope we all know the standard form ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So we're going to start here. First of all, we're going to divide everything by a. So it's going to be ax squared divided by a plus bx divided by a plus c divided by a is equals to 0. We know that 0 divided by a is going to be 0. That's why I wrote 0 there. So simplifying this is going to be x to the power 2 plus b over ax plus c over a is equals to 0. So okay, there is a law that stated that we need to take the coefficient of x and divide it by 2 and then square it, and it has to be negative or positive. So the law states it has to be negative or positive to the power 2. So dividing the coefficient of x, which is b over a, is going to be b over 2a. Okay, so now we need to add the law to the equation that we simplify. Is going to be x to the power 2 plus b over ax. Okay, now we're going to add the first one, the first law, which is positive b over 2a to the power 2 plus c, plus c over a, minus, going to minus the law. So it's gonna be b over 2a to the power 2, then it's equals to 0. So now we're going to take x to the power 2 plus b over a x plus b over 2a to the power 2 is equals to, now we are taking a c over a to the other side, so it's gonna be negative c over a plus, because that one is negative, b over 2a to the power 2, so it's gonna be positive. So it's gonna be positive b over 2a to the power 2. So now let's simplify this thing. Okay, let's factorize left hand side. So it's going to be x plus b over 2a x plus b over 2a is equals to, and then the other side will simplify, so it's going to be negative c over a plus b to the power 2 4a to the power 2 okay, let me simplify this thing. So this side is the same thing as x plus b over 2a to the power 2. The reason It's because this thing is the same thing. It's the same thing, x plus b over 2a, x plus b over 2a. So it's the same thing. So I can just combine it and make it x plus b over 2a to the power 2 is equals to, then this side I need to find the lowest. For the right hand side I need to find the common denominator. So I'm gonna multiply negative c over a by 4a, 4a over 4a. So it's going to be negative 4ac over 4a to the power 2 plus b to the power 2 4a to the power 2. Okay, now I need to add the numerator. I think the numerator is gonna be b to the power 2 minus 4ac over 4a to the power 2. So, okay, now I need to do what? I need to square both sides. It's going to be square root of x plus b, b over 2a to the power 2 is equals to square root squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. So okay, remember square root is negative or positive. So let's simplify this thing. Simplifying this thing, I'm gonna get x plus b over 2a is equals to negative or positive square root of b to the power 2 minus 4ac, then over square root of 4 is 2, square root of a to the power 2 is a. So x is equals to negative b over 2a plus or minus square root of b to the power 2 minus 4ac over 2a. So since the denominator is the same, we can combine it, and our final answer is going to be negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So this is the formula for quadratic.